Hello guys, today we were just looking at some fireworks since it's 4th of July.
Not today.
Show us on cam. Show us on cam.
No. Alright, bye. You mean?
Who's that? What kind of car is that? Oh my eyes! Why are you
Fireworks over
shining
there.
the light on my eye?
Look. Look at that! This is insane!
Stop.
Wait a minute. I'm seeing something! I'm seeing something I'm not supposed to. There's like these three things. Look. There's some green flames flying in the freaking video. Look. Right there. Look at that one. The screamer.
Bro.
That is crazy. Infinity and beyond. Boom! You just see the night sky. They keep on lighting up freaking screamers.
Let's see who can do the creepiest voice. Alright, send it. Alright.
Who? Look at that. The crickets on fire right now. There's a whole minute of just screamers.
I thought that one was him. You shouldn't put it on your actual YouTube channel.
Yeah. I need to record it on my camera to post it on my YouTube channel.
Oh, you guys see that, bro?
Yeah. It's like this green thing flying.
Wait, let me see.
Look at that.
What is that? Clap.
There's such a sun over there. Who cares?
Put me on cam.
No.
What's up, guys? What's up?
Put the light on.
I don't even know how to.
You just did.
I'm putting you on camera, even though we can't see it.
Stop, right? That's weird.
The cricket's on fire. Oh, they're lighting another one. Lighting up another one. Lighting up another one. When you feel something, you like just do this. Please be cooking up another one.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Clap these cheeks.
What the heck?
You know what? What the chicken cross the road? Why did the chicken cross the road? Why did the chicken cross the road?
To shoot a gun.
No.
This is insane. This is about to be on my YouTube. Oh! The freaking eye!
Your
What the heck?
eye? Your eye?
Yeah! What the heck? Ow! What the heck?
I didn't know it was right there.
If
And Timon, he's the one that made it.
Well, no, I just thought that you. I didn't throw it at you.
Ow. Maybe we shouldn't even put you guys on camera at all. I don't even know you guys are gonna ruin it.
Go on your YouTube channel.
What?
Deanna's just gonna go on your YouTube channel. I didn't even. I threw it at him. I didn't throw it at you.
I don't know how to do that, man.
I need to get something.
So
Something
that'll
going
be
on there.
the
No,
end
it's
of
not.
today's video.
You're just
Make
trying
sure to
to
like and subscribe. Bye.